This video shows you how to use the Worksheet Builder tool to create worksheets that have up to 6 regular polygon vertex images on a sheet. You can create regular polygons that go from 3 to 50 sides using this tool. You can change the number of sides using the 2 up and down arrow keys. You can also have numbers attached or not have numbers attached. You can change titles at the top. So let's make a Miss Smith. And you can change the actual title of the sheet or the other information you have at the top. You can also change the instructions. I now have instructions sitting here that are really not instructions, but just something to show you that you can do your own typing there, and that will show up on row 6. But there are a number of possible subjects for the instructions that you might want to use. I'm going to have them do stars that have 4 jumps between vertices. So I'm just going to go equals, and this is E36, and that has that right here, but it brought it here, and more importantly, it brought it there. So we want to transfer this top third into a Word document. When you open up Word, you get a 6.5 by 9 sheet of usable space. That's not quite right for what we have here because it won't fit 3 by 2, but it almost will. So we can fix that very easily by going to Layout, Margins. You're going to, instead of taking any of these canned margins, to a custom margin. You want 0.5 at the top. At the bottom, you want 0.6. And on the left and right hand side, you want 1.1. So it's going to make it a little bit longer and a little bit narrower, so you can get all 3 of them in. Now, how do we move them? We simply go to Word, and using your mouse, scroll over the image here, which is starting to F5, and over here at M31, and then you hit Home, you go Copy, click in Word, and go to your Home menu, and do not click Paste, but click the arrow underneath Paste and go to Paste Special, Enhance Meta File, click OK. That's your first third. Hit Enter on your keyboard, and then go back to your Excel, mouse down 2 using the down arrows, then hold the Shift key down and scroll across and scroll down, hit Copy, and that will change the area that's being copied so you don't have the titles again, and head to Office, to Word, Enhance Meta File, Paste. I made a mistake there. You can easily fix it. What we want is 13 or 14 and 15, since we stopped at 13. And now you go back to here and you go Copy, Enhance Meta File, Paste. That mistake actually showed you how easy it is to correct your work. Go up to 16 and 17, and one more time, Paste Special, Enhanced Meta File, and this gets you your document. Now, what are the students going to do once they get their worksheet? Well, they're going to have a 3-sided triangle here, equilateral triangle, when they do 4 jumps on 12. When they do 4 jumps on 13, they're going to get a 13-sided star. When they do 4 jumps on 14, they're going to get a 7-sided star. Interesting. You can talk to them about why that's the case. 15, you're going to get a 15-sided star. 16, you're going to actually get a square. And 17, you're going to get a 17-pointed star. You can show them what all of those look like after the fact if you want by going over to the stars tool. And here's that 12, there's 13, there's 14, that's the 7.15, 16, and 17. Now, of course, these stars can be a lot tighter if you want, so if you just bring that up, you can see how tight they would be if you have 9 jumps from here to here. Well, that's using the worksheet builder tool, as well as a little bit about playing with stars. Thank you.